was an ordinary Tuesday when I spotted an orange stray cat digging through a trash can for food. I gave him a small treat, and he ate it in seconds, clearly starving. I came back with a proper meal, and he happily let me pet him. That night, he saw me again and followed me all the way home. I knew I couldn't leave him outside anymore, so I adopted him. After a warm bath, he slowly adjusted to indoor life. But his street habits remained just days later. He proudly stole a piece of fried fish from my table. Now, this little thief is my happiest and most beloved companion.